Steps of phalankasana or plank pose. Lie and face down, hands under shoulder and toes on the floor. Lift your body and keeping it straight from the head to heel. Engage your core and tighten your abdomen and hold the position for 20 to 60 seconds and breathe steadily. Benefits of phalankasana or plank pose. It strengthens core, arms and shoulders and improve posture and stability, and it enhances metabolism and burns calories and reduce back pain by strengthening the spine. Steps of Virabhadrasana or Warrior 2 pose. Stand tall and step one foot back, turning it slightly inward. Bend the front knee, aligning it over the ankle. Extend your arms parallelly and to the ground and palms the facing down. Keep your back leg straight and gaze over the front hand. Hold the position for 20 to 30 seconds and then switch sides. Steps of Utthasana or chair pose. Stand straight with feet together and arms at your side. Inhale and raise your arms overhead, palm facing each other. Exhale and bend your knees, lowering your hips as if you are sitting on an imaginary chair. Keep your back straight and chest lifted and gaze forward. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds and then release. Benefits of Utthasana or chair pose. It strengthens the thighs and calves and spine, and it improves balance and posture, tones abdominal muscles and enhances stamina and focus.